McCormick X6 Series is designed to be a simple, rugged, and versatile tractor, offering outstanding performance. The X6 Standard in base has a 12x12 transmission, 3 ranges, 4 gears per range. The D-clutch button allows the shift to 4 gears without use of foot clutch. An optional 3-speed power shift is available, tripling our 4 gears, going to a 36x12. Push up to go to third power shift, down to second, down again to first. We shift up and down, under load at any time. The X6 Standard is ideal for loader work, livestock, hay production, dairy, and general on-the-farm use. Engineered and built to carry out all daily tasks on the farm with reliability and comfort, the X6 Standard Series is a perfect tractor for any farmer.